This park is different from the previous one because this one is supposed to be catered toward like weekend stuff, and this is my journey to visit some popular city around this county that I'm in. So this is my first one of the list from the list that I got. So I'm gonna go there and see how it is. Usually I will walk, but it's like a 25-minute bike ride, which would take almost an hour in walking. So I'm taking the city bike like I did last time to get to where I need to go. So I've arrived. It was super far. Like, it says 20 minutes, I know, but it wasn't a scenic. It kind of was. I'm gonna try to recall when I go back. But it's what it looked like. I'm gonna look around for a little bit and go back because I don't want the battery to die on me. So let's go. Okay, so before I fully got started exploring, you're not gonna do anything in Taiwan if you don't get a little bit of tea, iced tea, milk tea, whatever kind of tea. So I got me one. So I went into this little section of the place, and this lady walked up to me and she's rubbed my skin. And she gave me a little thumbs up, like. I wasn't like offended. Startled but not offended, so it was cool. I'm leaving now because I have to like take my bike. I don't know how long the battery is gonna be before it dies. So this is me signing out. Bye. Okay, there are dogs barking, but don't mind them. I just wanted you to see. So I'm recording this on my way back because when I was going to the place, I was kind of scared that I got lost. And it's taking me a different route, but this is an example of what the county that I live in look like. This is not my city because I came to a different city to do this little expedition, but I might keep recording as I go. Another pit stop, made a wrong turn, but plantations again. Well, not plantation, but you know what I mean. All right, I have to turn around that way. It was a wrong turn. So I'm back to where I started. I parked the bike. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very tired. My head definitely isn't cooperating, but I just drove like about 20 something kilometers, rode a bike. So, and all I ate this morning was cereal, and it's like 4:20 now. So I'm gonna go get something to drink and then go get food. I'm actually already starving, so yeah.